Are you making more money today than you were 5 years ago? But somehow you feel even more broke? Have you looked at your bank account on a Tuesday and wondered how your entire paycheck vanished in 72 hours?
Today, we are breaking down the exact math of why this is happening to you right now. I'm showing you the real numbers behind a $75,000 salary and why the system is rigged to keep you in debt.
Stick with me. In step 3, I'm giving you a weaponized system to take back $650 a month immediately.
Let's look at a real case study. Let's call him David. David is exactly 32 years old.
He lives in a normal mid-sized city like Columbus, and he makes exactly $75,000 a year. 5 years ago, David was doing great. Today, David is suffocating. I want you to see why. When David hears $75,000, his brain thinks he has $6,250 a month. But the government takes their cut. After federal taxes, state taxes, and healthcare, David's actual take-home pay is exactly $4,850. That is the real starting line. But society is still selling David a $75,000 lifestyle. It's on a $4,850 reality. This gap? This is where the American middle class is dying. Here is a terrifying reality check. Most people don't know this, but the average.
The new car payment in America right now is sitting around $730 a month.
You aren't driving a luxury car. You are driving a financial anchor. Let's break down David's $4,850. Rent for his one-bedroom apartment? $18,850. He's down to $3,000. Groceries have stabilized a bit this year, but a basic healthy diet for one guy still costs him $450 a month. Utilities and phone? Another $250. Then comes the car. David financed a reliable Toyota. But with these interest rates, his payment is $650, plus $150 for insurance. Now he has $1,500 left. Then comes the silent killer. Bankrate's May 2026 data shows the average credit card APR is a staggering 21.8%. David has 2 credit cards with a balance of $8,500 from a medical emergency to bridge the gap. The minimum payments are bleeding $350 a month from him, and almost none of that touches the principal. After his student loan payment of $300, David has exactly $850 left for the entire month.
One minor emergency, and he's swiping that 21.8% card again. This isn't a spending problem, it's a systemic trap.
But here is the truth. You don't have to stay in this cycle. You can break out.
In just a few seconds, I'm giving you the 3-part MONIVEX system to break this exact trap. Right now, tonight, stay with me. Here is exactly how we get David and you out of this.
Step 1. The 72-hour liquidity freeze. Stop looking at your checking account as available cash.
From today on, any non-essential purchase over $50 requires a mandatory 72-hour waiting period. No exceptions. We ran the data on this behavioral shift, and it saves the average person exactly $215 a month. That $215 is your new weapon. Step 2. The minimum payment reroute. You are going to take that $215 you just saved, and you are going to attack the principal. Not the biggest balance, the highest interest. By adding $215 specifically to the principal every month, David cuts his payoff time by 4.5 years and saves over $4,100 in pure interest. That is exactly how you beat the banks. Step 3. The $1,000 firewall. You cannot invest, you cannot scale until you stop the bleeding.
Do whatever it takes this weekend. Sell the old electronics, take a quick side gig.
Put exactly $1,000 in a separate,
high-yield savings account. This is your permanent financial firewall.
When the tire pops, you use the firewall cash, not the 21.8% credit card. According to fresh TransUnion data, 11.2% of credit card balances just went into serious delinquency.
People are giving up. The system wants you to give up, pay the late fees, and stay trapped.
Don't give them the satisfaction. You are not your debt. Your past doesn't dictate your future.
Here is your homework tonight. Log into your bank app. Find exactly $50 you were going to waste. Transfer it right now. Hit the principal. Take back your power. I'll see you in the next one.